Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this quick tutorial, I am going to show you that if you want to enable the dark mode on Facebook profile on your desktop PC, how we can do this. So let's jump right in. So what you have to do is just go to the top right corner here and click on the display and accessibility here and just turn on the dark mode from here and it should be enabled right in. Let's change it to light mode and let me show you that if you want to enable the dark mode from the mobile app, how we can do this. And if you want to enable the dark mode on the mobile app, just open the mobile app. And if you're on the home page, just go to the profile right on the top and just go to settings and just scroll down until you see the dark mode right here. It's under the preferences. Just go to the dark mode and turn it on. And that should do the job. So that's it guys. This is how we can enable the dark mode both on your Android phone and on your PC. I hope this video helps. And if it did, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next one.